Hi, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I want to show you this 2022 Aviara 40. Aviara's flagship boat. It's a 40-foot luxury day boat. Let's take a walk and look around. Main thing is for us, we use boats here in North Texas. We hang out here in the back of the boat. Find your favorite cove. We got two terraces that'll fold down, a hydraulic swim step that goes in the water, sure shade come out in the back, but you're gonna have everybody right here in the back of the boat. So much fun. I love what they did back here. You got lounge seating if you want it. If you want to sit short, you can flip this up for a little backrest. How easy is that? So now you're even closer to the water and the people that's in there. Now you got some bar stools on the back. Somebody can stand there and sit up on bar stools. So really you got people in the water, a row of people here, another row of people there. Sometimes the party's behind the boat. Now everybody's having fun watching it. This is kind of like an island too, so people can move around and get into the cockpit from either side. You see I got this terrace up right now, but they both fold down. But it's easy flow around the boat. If somebody's hanging out or lounging, you can walk around either direction. Coming into the cockpit, they wanted to entertain on this boat, so they ordered this one with dual Kenya grills, dual refrigerators. So you got plenty of food and drinks you're going to keep on board of the boat. I love all the Aviaras. They do a great job with trash cans. There's two big trash cans here and there. Always a place to put your trash. If you haven't been on the Aviaras before, they want real clean lines. On the outside, smooth lines. I just saw this lid, reminds me. They hide the fuel fills, they hide the water fill, they hide the waste pump out, so you're not seeing anything. This being a 40-foot boat, it does have a generator on board, air conditioner on board, all the stoves and TV, so you need a generator. So they keep everything clean lined. You can never really tell it has all that stuff on the boat because it is really a sport boat. But what a great place to cook, serve food. There's a table that goes back here, a nice teak table. So all day long you're out here on the boat. If you need some more storage, here's a little sink. There's a deep pocket there. You can put some champagne bottles and ice them down. This was designed by Mastercraft Towboat, so you notice cup holders everywhere, seats everywhere, but also coolers. This is a molded in insulated cooler that can drain. So again, more drinks right here. They also did a phenomenal job on the stereo. You don't see any speakers anywhere, but yeah, they're kind of hidden behind some nice metal panels. Speakers in the hardtop, speakers in the back, everything's hidden, a big subwoofer there. You can hear the sound really well, but you're not banging your head on speakers everywhere. Great seating. While we're here by the seating, we do have a cockpit heater in here. So if you want to go out on a cool day like today, you got some hot air blowing on you through vents. Also has heated seats in the helm seats, and these seats are heated, so it's kind of nice. At the helm, we're running an Ilmor 520 horsepower engines. Ilmor engines running great. So what they did here on the dash, that's booting up. On this screen right here, I got digital switching for my shades, the engine hatch. Here I got all my stereo information. Custom lights, you can do different zones, pick your different color, underwater lights, seat lights, and some more switches. So all your switching is here. They put all the navigation over here, where actually the navigation's right here in the center. So you can keep an eye on where you're going. Switches and steers over there. Maybe your companion here is going to work that for you. You're watching where you're going, and all your engine information on the Ilmor is right here too. Yes, it does have joystick, so it's easy docking with 2 fingers. It's got their version of the sky hook to hold you in a place, you know, while you're getting stuff ready on the boat. As you're captain by yourself, operating it, you can. Another heater vent here. Great storage everywhere. Let's walk up to the bow. This is a sport boat, so when you're going to walk up here, on our way up, I love this seat right here. If you like wind in your face, this is a leaning post. You can lean up against it with this extra padding, and there's a grab handle right here, so you can sit here, all the wind in your face you want as we're ripping across the lake. Real easy walkway up to the bow, and a really deep bow. We're sitting still, I don't know, we're probably 4.5, 5 feet off the water, so it's a dry ride, not running, and when you're running, the boat's gonna lift up, it's gonna be even safer. But look how this bow just swallows me. So even for kids riding up here, it's a safe, smooth ride, and it's a windy day right now. I just sat down in here, I'm not even feeling the wind blowing on me anymore. So very comfortable bow riding up here, and safe and deep. Again, speakers hidden everywhere, cup holders everywhere, great lighting everywhere. Now let's check out the cabin down below. To get down the cabin, I like what they did. They molded it into the dash. It's hard to even tell it's even there. You can unlock it, swing it around. A few quick steps. Do have a TV down here, refrigerator down here, a microwave down here. Nice stereo system down here. I can control the lights down here. There's my AC controller. So this, a filler cushion here, you can make this into a bed. Or if you want to, you can pull it up, sit back a little shorter. People want to sit here and talk. You see I got another cooler that comes with the boat there, and also the folding teak table. It does have a wet head, so you can't shower in there, but it's a nice tile floor in it, good clean lines. I like how they did the control panel. It's nice to easy to get to when you come down into the cabin of the boat. You get the readings, how much right now my generator is putting out on it. Start and stop the generator from here. You got a lot of breakers in here too. There's also a Seakeeper on board, Seakeeper 3. The boat may rock a little bit, so just with the push of a button you can activate that. Keeps your boat from rocking, keeps everybody on the boat nice and comfortable. Great option. Well, that wraps up the walkthrough on this Aviara 40. If you want to see this boat or any other boats we have at MarineMax Dallas, we keep all the big stuff on the water at Pier 121. Come out and see us. We'd love to help you out.